Hey everybody, and welcome to our condo renovation. In any home remodel, I think this is the text you want to see from your cabinet guy. Oh yes, we got our kitchen cabinets installed, so I can't wait to show y'all those. We've also got our flooring done, and we got the bathroom vanity installed. So I hope y'all enjoy the video and see all the things that we've gotten done. Alright y'all, it's Tuesday morning, and as you can see, Nixon cabinet truck, the cabinet guys are here. They are here today to install the kitchen cabinets, so that is so exciting. They got them done in like 3 weeks earlier than we expected. They texted us yesterday and just asked if they could come install them today, so absolutely. So Ben and I are on our way to find a Home Depot and go and see if we can find a kitchen sink, because we have now got to find a kitchen sink to fit for an undermount for the granite countertop. So we're going to go up and see what they've got going on, and hopefully we'll have a kitchen put back together here real soon. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Wow. They look great already. I know. It's all right, y'all. They are already started early this morning. They got here about 7:15. So they're gonna start installing them, and I'll make sure to get back with y'all and let y'all know what it looks like once we get it all in here. And I am so excited. Once we get the kitchen cabinets in, I pretty much will put all this back together, because it'd be amazing to have a functioning kitchen. I love it. But here's the cabinet so far. I know the lighting in here is terrible, because this right here is the only lighting that we have up just yet. We didn't want to put the light fixture up because it's going to hang down, and we felt like it'd just be in the way, so we just have this little thing rigged up. But anyway, I'll get back to y'all as soon as I can and give y'all some more updates. I'm going to take y'all along as we go to a couple places and we shop for our kitchen sink. We are at Park Supply. It is a fixture like supply store that they have built in our local area. It's pretty new, but they sell a lot of kitchen, bathroom type accessories and faucets. And I just had to come on and show y'all some of the unique bathroom fixtures and vanities that they have. This right here is so neat. Look at this sink. It's got such beautiful detail, and look at the, the florals and the butterflies and the colors in this. Absolutely gorgeous. Just something so unique that you just don't see, just anywhere. They've also got this beautiful claw-footed bathtub. Now we're gonna get a bathtub that's gonna be standalone like this, but this one right here, oh my goodness, it's not in my budget, but I absolutely love this. Look at the ornate feet on this one. Love this. It's kind of a bronze color. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but this right here, I just love it because it's so different. And then this one right here is another little clawfoot one, but these are absolutely beautiful. We're out today looking for kitchen sinks for when the kitchen cabinets get done. We will have our sink. We've got to have an undermount sink for the granite countertop to go back over it. So we're out looking for that today, but I'm just looking at all the options that Park Supply has. They have all these beautiful bathroom fixtures, vanities, just all kinds of different, things to look at. And I love the way their showroom is, because it gives you an idea of what it will look like with different color faucets. Like if you go with the bronze, the silver, the brushed nickel, the gold, gives you a really good idea what it'll look like in your home. So I love their selection. Here is the kitchen faucets that they have. Now we have something that is similar to this in our home now, and I absolutely love it because it has like the little pull down little sprayer that you can rinse the sink, and then right here you can do like more of like a spray or a stream with this little button right here and just spray out your sinks and stuff. I really like that feature. And then this right here, push it back to the back for the full flow of water, and then two for the hot and this way for the cold. So it's very simple, but it's very functional. So I really love it. So I'm probably gonna go with like the same type style, and I'm gonna go with the bronze because I'm getting bronze hardware on the kitchen cabinets. But they have a great selection. Just everything is so pretty and hard to make a decision when they have so many to choose from. This is a neat feature on their showroom, is these faucets right here work. So you can actually test them out and see how they're gonna do. I mean, that's pretty cool. So in the store, in their showroom, you can actually turn these on, see how they're gonna function once you get them home and get them installed. I mean, that's a great feature when you're out shopping, because sometimes you just don't know, you know, what the water flow is going to be like and how these are going to work when you get them installed. Oh, that's cute. Look at this one. More of a spout type. Just all kinds and styles. Here's some of the kitchen sink selections. I think we're going to go with something like this to stick with stainless steel, but we do want double bowls. Some of them, you know, are just the one, but we're both like, we want the double, because a lot of times if you're washing dishes and you've got a sink full of water, you can't do anything in the sink, you know, wash your hands or something, you know, just things like that, or wash something off. But we're looking at these, but I wanted to make sure that I could see what a stainless steel one would look like with a bronze faucet. And they actually have one on the showroom that has a bronze faucet with it, and it actually looks really good. So I think that's what we're going to go with, because the stainless steel is, you know, pretty affordable, you know, so we don't want to go extravagant on kitchen sink. But look at this one. Talk about extravagant and beautiful. Oh, I love this one. This is more like a hammered texture, that bronze and copper color. Absolutely beautiful. Here's the stainless featured with the bronze faucet. Like, it just kind of gives you an idea of what it'll look like once you put it together. Alright, we are about to go in Home Depot and see what kind of selection they have for kitchen sinks. We've already looked at Lowe's, then we went to that showroom place in our local area yesterday, but we're gonna see what Home Depot has to offer and see what kind of prices they have. Hopefully we'll get one, and then that way we can finish off the kitchen once the countertops have gotten installed, and at least we'll have our sink. So we're gonna go in here and see what we can find. Alright, here is the selection at Home Depot. They have a lot better selection than Lowe's. Lowe's the other day didn't have much for us to choose from. We need a 30-inch undermount. So we're going to see what, out of all these, if we can find something that'll work for us. Another thing with a home remodel, you buy a lot of things and then you take them back. And that goes for this kitchen sink. We got it, but we're going to end up taking it back because we're not going to need this one, and we can keep on shopping. All right, y'all, the kitchen cabinet guys just left. So here they are. They got the granite countertops installed. The sink we purchased this morning, we're going to take it back because we realized after talking to him, there's a better way that we can do the sink, and we can get something else. Because we were kind of having to rush because we thought they needed it today, but that's not the case. So we'll give y'all a little bit more update on that kitchen sink later on when we get ready to install it. But just wanted to give y'all a little overview of what the kitchen cabinets looks like, and give you more of a layout of what the whole kitchen looks like. Because remember, over here will be the refrigerator. Right here is the stove. I've got tons of drawers, little pull out. They even gave us over here beside the dish washer. This right here is a pull out trash can. So we got two really nice sized trash cans right here. Absolutely love this. But I don't know if you can see because it's still kind of dark in here, but He did like a white paint with a glaze on it, so I'm really happy with the way they turned out, and I love my hardware. And Ben's gonna get started. He can now get finished with the flooring over here. But just wanted to just kind of let y'all see what it's looking like. We still gotta put that one backsplash back there and put all the appliances in here, get the flooring finished, and then we'll give y'all another update on this. But so far, I absolutely love them, and I'm very happy with the cabinet company that put them in. After the cabinets got installed, Ben went to work to finish up the flooring. So he got all of that done, and we also started putting the appliances back in, just to put them back in their place, just so we can kind of get a feel for, how they're going to fit and the design of the kitchen. Doing a renovation like this, it's almost putting back a puzzle, but it's all going back together really well. Now we're going to do a DIY project. This is the dining room light fixture. This goes in where the dining room area is, where you would have your dining room table, and this goes over it. This light fixture went into the original condo. They did salvage it, and it's been sitting out on our balcony this whole time. It's filthy, and of course, it's the brushed nickel. We could go out and buy a new light fixture, but I told Ben, right now, let's just save the money on down the road. When I totally decide what style I want, then we can go and get new light fixtures. But right now, I'm just going to refresh this one with a coat of paint. The globes removed really easy. They just had this little cap in there that screws on, and that's what holds the bulb in. But I just removed all the globes. I took them inside and I washed them really well. Ben hung it up for me, and then I just went over it and gave it several layers of some Rust-Oleum white spray paint. Once we got it cleaned up and spray painted, we took it back over to the condo. The next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to shorten the chain. The chain was really long, and they just had it bundled up, tied up. So Ben's just going to cut it off so it'll be the correct length that we need. So we went out and Googled what the average height of a dining room table is, because we don't have a dining room table, so we're kind of guessing of what length we need to make the chain. And it said on average that a dining room table's height is about 28 to 30 inches. So that's what we're going to go with. So he got everything cut off, the wire and the chain, and now he's just going to put it up just to make sure we've got it about the height that we're going to need it. So now he's going to install it back, and it was real easy. The outlet was already up there with the wires, so all he's got to do is reconnect the wires and then just get it screwed back in really good, put the little cover back up there at the ceiling, and then that's about all we had to do. Also spray painted all the little covers and the hardware that went with it, and he just installed that back. And like I say, this was real easy. It didn't take us long to get it reinstalled. Now we're going to test it out just to make sure we wired it up correctly and it's going to work. So he's just going to put a little tester bulb in it. He's going to flip the light switch, and hopefully we're going to have light. And we do. Thank goodness. Now he's going to go ahead, since it works, and go ahead and install the rest of the globes, and then he will put in the bulbs. Now we're going to test it and see if it all works, and I think it's going to be so pretty, and it's going to add so much light in here, and it does. It makes a huge difference already. This room has been so dark through the whole renovation, so this is a happy day for me. Now he's going to go back. Now since he's got the flooring finished up, now he's just going back. Like I say, it's like putting together a puzzle. So now he's going to go back, put the baseboards in here where we like the one piece that we needed so we can finish this area out. He still needs to go around with the corner round, finish it up, and then also go around with the paint and just touch up areas with the paint. But this pretty much is done. And y'all know me, I couldn't stand it. I had to move in some furniture. So we took my little bar stools that I got at a yard sale, and I've already got those at the bar. But I'm just doing some cleaning. We're still going to be making a mess, I'm sure, but I did want to get one layer of dust off these floors. So we just went over and vacuumed them really well, and I just went over them and mopped them a couple of times. It's going to take a few times because we've had so much dust, in this area with the saw, and walking through it with our shoes, we just kind of track it around. He's also going to go in and put the drawers in our vanity in the bathroom. He got it all plumbed up, and he also got the trim around the mirror put up. We left the existing mirror, and he just made some trim pieces and put those around it and framed it out. So I think that was a great fix for that, so we didn't have to tear up the wall. But I'm so pleased with the bathroom vanity. I think it just fit really well in here. And next on our list is to get a plumber in and also get a bathtub and shower faucet and get that installed. And we'll also get the plumber to do the kitchen sink when we get to that point. So that's kind of next on the list. But we're just going to keep trudging ahead, y'all. Just keep on working on it. And hopefully in a couple weeks, we'll be able to stay overnight. We'll get to enjoy one of those beautiful sunsets, get up, drink coffee, and enjoy a beautiful sunrise. I can't wait for that. So as always, we appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for all the supportive, encouraging comments. We read everyone, and Ben truly appreciates them because he has worked so hard on this. So we plan to see y'all again next week, and hopefully we'll have some more updates for y'all. And I am doing some decorating, so y'all stay tuned for that.